Let me ask you a few questions. Are you content with operating one transaction at a time, moving on and starting all over again? Are you okay with being one fish in the sea of agents and always praying to the real estate gods that people would choose you? Are you content hoping past clients remember you the next time they decide to buy or sell, or when they have a friend to refer? If you are sick and tired of any of these things and you know there is more available to you, today I want to talk about some lessons I got from one of my mentor, marketing guru, Jay Abraham. Jay has spent decades teaching business people how to build stronger relationships with their clients and grow business exponentially in the process. Today's video is all about sharing insights from his strategy of preeminence to gain trust, relevancy, and respect, and help you become viewed as the only choice in your marketplace. Here are 3 insights from Jay. Hey, this is Saeed Mohsen, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe below to get more insights on how you can grow your real estate business. So insight number 1, let's start with moral obligation. Think about how you view your role for a second. Are you there to serve your clients' every wish? Some might say yes, not Jay. Everything you do out of a moral obligation to help your clients see what they should be doing. He says, you are the expert. They are looking to you for the expertise. That means it's your role to take a stand and always ensure your clients' actions are in their best interest. Allowing clients to do it their way is allowing them to underachieve the optimal outcome. Jay says, if you can't be strong enough and committed enough to be the leader, then you have already lost. Insight number 2, business is transactional, people are not. Agents sometimes have a tendency to slip into a transactional mindset. They have done this a million times. They know what happens when, so they just walk people through the process, close the deal, and move on. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying they are cold about it. It's just that they are maybe not as warm as they should be. Do you know anyone guilty of this behavior? Here is why this is a major mistake. Jay's strategy of preeminence is all about serving from a place of empathy. That means you need to start each transaction from your client's perspective, not your personal perspective. How do you do that? By asking great questions, by learning to be a better listener, by taking genuine interest in people, by demonstrating a willingness to see how the other side sees life. Do these things and suddenly you will elevate your standing in people's minds. They will know you care, they will consider you as a friend, and never again ask their spouse, who was that realtor we used last time, honey? Insight number 3, tap into the emotion. So let's say you have taken Jay's advice and you start putting yourself in the client's shoes, asking the right questions and acting as their trusted advisor. How can you use that insight to attract new business? Jay says, what will truly separate you from the competition is being able to express to the client what they really want but have never heard of from anyone else. What's that mean? It means instead of helping people buy a house, you are advising people to help them discover the mecca of their family's growth. Instead of selling 50 homes, you are entrusted with $30 million worth of most significant investments 50 families will make in their lifetime. Go deep, inject emotion, make it meaningful. Here is why. Jay says interacting with people in this way will create the most liberating and exciting way to live your life. He is right, of course. The more connected you become with your clients, the more mind share you will occupy, the more business they will send your way in the form of repeat business and referrals. Never forget why Jay always advises to use the word client rather than customer. The word customer means someone who buys a commodity or service. A client is someone under the care and protection and well-being of another. Treat everyone by the definition of client and you will become their most trusted advisor for life, not one transaction. As always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my channel and check out my other videos for more insights on growing your real estate business.